Hey there, welcome back guys. In this video we're going to show you how to record your stuff for YouTube. That's right, you want to level up and you don't want the legs to your tripod to show. Well, in this video we've got you covered. We have this jiggy right here and we're going to show you how to use it so you can showcase your stuff in a really fancy way. So come. As you can see, normally your stuff would be showcased like this and you want to get rid of that. Or maybe you don't. If you don't, that's fine. Feel free to find another video that rocks your boat. But this is what we're going to show you how to get rid of this so that you can have that. It looks really great, and it also comes with additional stuff, spare parts. We're not going to open the spare parts, but this is Ken's car. Oh, the cotter pins for the cover, and this little wrench thingy, screwdriver. Wow, these are the cotter pins are a savior because mine doesn't come with any. Amazing that they threw that in there. And we have here the charger. Oh, it's a battery. This is a battery, and great. I've never seen one like this before, but it is a LiPo, so you'll have to find a bag for that. And we've got the cover. Wow, this looks like a glorified Porsche of a sort, like Italian drift car. And except there won't be any go in this video. Wow, this is nice, Ken. What, 40 miles per hour. And last but least, we've got the, let's just give it a full 360 so you guys can get a, wow, look at the shocks on that. Wow. And then we have here, we'll spin it around. And wow, this is really nice. Wow, look at that. And then this goes on like this. Amazing, Ken. Great purchase because it won't take up a lot of space. And you know, you get to enjoy RC hobby without breaking the bank. Look at this remote controller. Wow, and the little controller thingies here. We'll have to figure that out. But Ken's gonna put the battery in and we'll see how it goes. So this is actually called a tripod extension arm, which works really well when recording outside, or if your desk is big enough to handle the tripod extension arm, that would be great. But for me, I actually used a magic arm with clamps, similar, but it clips to the back of the desk and then you decide how you want it to go on. And the weight is actually separate depending on the camera you have, but it does come with everything needed. It also has an iPhone attachment if you want, and you know, the arm extends, it goes forwards and backwards depending on, you know, how much or little you want to show, but it's pretty straightforward and comes in handy when doing those how-to videos. Kind of neat, huh? No legs. Everything is out of the way. You don't have to use this weight right here. You can use anything you want. I just have this weight from when I used to climb. So it's just a leftover. So if you can find something left over from something that you used to do, recycle it and, you know, use it to your advantage. So you don't have to buy anything more because these parts can get a little expensive, but this one's pretty affordable. And as you can see here, this goes like that, right? And the other one goes like that. Anyway, I hope this video helped you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time.